Jasmine Rice, the Thai Cornell Connection by Dr. Pongthep Akkarathanagun, PhD, Class of 1977, College of Agriculture and Life Science, in collaboration with Dr. Vilasaw Vichit-Vadakan, Class of 1995, College of Engineering. When you walk into coffee houses or tea room, you can choose from different varieties of coffee and tea with different scents and flavors. However, in the case of rice, your choices are often limited to just a few. For example, Jasmine, Basmati, or Japanese short grain. It has not been that long since these prominent rice variety have found their way to restaurants and households around the world. As most good connoisseurs would agree, Basmati rice is quite popular not only in South Asia but also the Middle East, Europe, and North America. The Japanese short grain rice is particularly suited for sushi and other Japanese dishes. However, jasmine rice can be steamed, boiled, or fried, whichever way you cook. The medium-sized grains of the jasmine rice is packed with flavor, just the right combination of physical-chemical properties that expresses itself in a soft but chewy texture combined with the allure of refreshing fragrance. As one of the world-class flavor chemists, Terry Acree, professor of Department of Food Science at Cornell, a specialist in how stimulant composition is represented in perception, succinctly describes, quote, "It's perfect in every way, just the right combinations of starches and flavors," end quote. Unknown to many, the story of jasmine rice that reaches the dining tables globally is deeply rooted amongst Cornellians. Over half a century ago, the jasmine rice was one of the varieties grown in a small village in the eastern coast of central Thailand. Although the variety has been the choice of some of the locals, the jasmine rice remained unknown to the rest of the world. Through the initiative of the joint Thailand-US Rice Development Project launched in the 1950s, rice variety throughout Thailand was systematically collected and field-tested in the original region where it was found, as well as other regions throughout Thailand, in particular, the northeastern part of Thailand. The second Thai student under King's Scholarship to Cornell to build the foundation for Thai rice development was Prayapochakon Tri Milintasut. Professor Harry Hauser Love from Cornell's Plant Breeding Department was the senior expert representing the U.S. The principal Thai researchers that joined Professor Love were mostly Cornellians and former graduate students of Professor Love. Prince Chakapan, Master of Science, Class of 1941, Dr. Krui Bunyasingh, Master of Science, Class of 1940, and Dr. Salathasanon, PhD, Class of 1943. This team of experts trained hundreds of Thai technicians in the scientific method for rice cultivation and varietal selection. The countrywide field testing of the indigenous rice varieties was conducted intensively, including the white jasmine rice that we recognize today. One report mentioned that this white jasmine rice possessed a strong potential to be cultivated in the Korat Plateau of the northeastern part of Thailand. Fortunately, this report has not gone unnoticed. A persistent agricultural technician worked closely with Professor Love and his team of Thai Cornellians to further pursue the field testing, subsequently propagating the variety in which we enjoy today, making the northeastern region of Thailand the new home to the jasmine rice. This pushed the production of jasmine rice from a single village subsistence supply to now supporting nearly 2 million metric tons of jasmine rice for export globally today, in addition to supporting domestic demands. Today, jasmine rice is widely cultivated in the once semi-arid rain-fed area of the plateau, known locally as Thung Kula Ronghai. Once the poorest region in Thailand, now produces one of the best rice in the world. This is the largest jasmine rice growing area in the world. The soil, The combination of very hot daytime temperatures and cool nighttime temperatures, the intensity of seasonal rain, and the genetic attributes of the rice variety altogether gives a very unique flavor to the jasmine rice from this part of Thailand. The monetary value of Thailand's jasmine rice is in the billions of dollars annually, with unfathomable socio-economic value to millions of farmers. All of this was made possible by a team of experts from Cornell, whose goal was to do the greatest good. Thai jasmine rice won World's Best Rice Awards 7 times in 2009, 2010, 2014, 2016, 2017, 2020 and 2021 in the World Rice Conference. In 2024, Thailand exports 9.95 million metric tons of rice in total value of $6,434 million compared to 8.77 million metric tons and $5,147 million in 2023. Thailand is the world's second largest rice exporter after India. Thai jasmine rice makes up approximately 15 to 20% of total rice exported. The major markets are the United States at 41%, China at 13.5%, Hong Kong at 9.2%, Canada at 7.2%, and Singapore at 3.8% respectively. The space occupied by rice fields make up approximately 49.1% of total agricultural space in Thailand and 67.1% of households who are in the agricultural sector. More than half-century past, now a team from Kasetsart University provides technical support to improve productivity using newfound knowledge and technologies. The result is very encouraging. The farmers can double or triple their rice yields.